I'm Mark Chalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you an absolutely magnificent 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 302. At MS Classic Cars, we've had some beautiful Boss 302s over the years. I love Mustangs in general. We currently are proud of the record that we hold at Barrett-Jackson for the highest selling Boss 302 that we did a couple years ago. This particular car competes with that car. This is a recent MCA Grand National Concourse Gold Award winning car. It scored 97.8. That was in 2018. It's got great history. I have some of the ownership history. It's been featured in magazines. It has original documentation like the Epplingen report. It's got the Ford warranty owner's card. It's got owner's manuals. There's pictures at some of the car shows with Pirelli Jones, who actually signed the owner's manual. Larry Sonoda, the designer of the Boss 302, he actually signed some of the paperwork, and he also signed underneath the hood. This car's got the deluxe Marty report. It's just a super car. The exterior is super straight. It's got beautiful yellow paint with the black accents. The interior is in absolutely gorgeous condition. The engine compartment is highly detailed. It's very, very, very correct. It retains the original matching numbers, 302 Boss V8 engine. It has a 4-speed, which is also original matching numbers, and also the rear end is original matching numbers as well. So this is the real deal car, one of the best examples ever to be offered for sale. Again, great history, great car. For a complete description with tons of photos, you got to check it out on our website at msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start the car, let you listen to how beautiful it runs. Runs absolutely gorgeous.